Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings now. This gets you straight to notification controls. Tap Notifications or Search Notifications in the Settings search box. Once there, locate the app whose alerts you want to change. Make sure the app is installed and recently opened so its channels appear. If you use Do Not Disturb or Battery Saver, temporarily disable them. They can hide options. This step establishes the context and ensures the specific notification channels and toggles will be visible for the next actions. Once done opening the app's notification page, tap the specific channel you want to edit. You will see importance levels like urgent, high, medium, or low. Choose one to control visibility and interruption. Then, change sound, vibration pattern, and whether it shows on lock screen or as a pop-up. If available, add a custom sound file or toggle notification dots. Make sure to test changes by sending a test notification or having someone message you to confirm the new behavior matches your preference. To finish, review system-wide settings like lock screen visibility and do not disturb exceptions so your chosen behavior isn't overridden. If a channel or option is missing, clear the app cache or reset app preferences in app settings. That often restores hidden toggles. If notifications still misbehave, restart the phone and confirm the app and Android are up to date. One key tip: if nothing works, uninstall/reinstall the app. That resets channels and usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.